Hey then, welcome to After Work. My name is Valentine, and in this channel we talk about various data science topics that are important when you're starting out your data science career. If such topics interest you, be sure to subscribe to this channel. So today we are going to be talking about challenges faced by women when it comes to data science. And these are going to be my own observations of what I have seen across different environments with regards to the challenges that women have faced when it comes to just working in general. I'm going to be going through just 3 different challenges, and hopefully I do understand there could be many other ones, but these ones would just give you an idea of what to expect if you're starting out your data science career. And you could always position yourself to be aware that this is happening and possibly do something about it. It is whether you are a male individual or female individual. Right, so let's get started with the first one. And the first challenge is gender bias and stereotypes, which are basically just general views of women when it comes to data science, saying that women are not good in science, so they're not good in undertaking technical projects when it comes to data science, which isn't the case. But in many organizations, there's usually that perception that might be so, which is quite wrong. And you could exhibit this not only, it can be unconscious or conscious bias, and it could happen possibly during the hiring process. It could happen, that's when you're getting new team members to your data science team. It could be during presentations, when you're making presentations to various stakeholders who possibly could have that gender bias or might have those stereotypes that possibly they could unconsciously maybe underestimate the performance of women compared to men. So that is something that you ought to also take into consideration when you're starting out your data science career, that this could actually happen, and you ought to ensure that you don't fall in the trap of if you're a male individual, of also a female individual, of also believing that does happen, which it isn't the case. There are quite a number of many people that I have met who are women who were really hardworking, and their decisions are usually crucial in how an organization performs and how they're able to also come up with ideas on effective ideas on how we can be able to, or organizations can be able to serve customers better. So that's the first challenge, gender bias and stereotypes. The second one is that there's also another challenge that I faced, where you would have, this is coming from a curriculum background, where most of the learning experiences you tend to find are that there are too few women within, say, a particular class setting or workshop when it comes to learning data science. Yes, this is also a challenge when it comes to data science that you also need to take into account, that around the world, too few women enter pathways that lead to data science, and there are many organizations which are also trying to ensure that women are also represented within such kinds of settings, and they create an environment that allows, say, women to actually thrive without any sort of maybe the gender bias aspects or stereotypes that we've mentioned, and as a result have companies or organizations that are much more representative, or when it comes to the decisions that are usually made as a result of maybe data science projects, where women will also undertake a crucial role. So this is a second challenge, where around the world, too few women enter pathways that lead to data science, and I think the best way is usually to just encourage persons who might have an interest in learning data science, say women, to be able to also undertake data science is just like any other normal career, and also empower them to have that consideration that when they come into the field, they're still going to find some of those gender bias or stereotypes that we've talked about. The third challenge is usually a lack of mentorship and leadership for women in STEM, in data science too in general. And this could be as a result of having fewer women entering the pathways that lead to data science. Majorly because if you have fewer women going into data science, you would also eventually have fewer women who would be experts and who would be in a position to be able to mentor others and lead and create those processes that would allow other women to also become experts of their own within the data science field. So lack of mentorship and leadership is something that also needs to be addressed in the long run. Of course, there are many ways that would happen by simply ensuring that the processes that are set up within an organization do not favor one particular gender or the other. And at the same time, you as a upcoming data science professional would also be in a position to support persons who are from that particular underrepresented minority in ensuring that they're able to thrive also within this particular data science ecosystem. So yeah, so those were three challenges I thought possibly to highlight for persons who might be interested in going a bit more becoming a data scientist. So that way they are aware these are some of the challenges that women face in data science, and they would need to be addressed in a certain way or the other, because everyone deserves to be the very best in the most fairest of the conditions in terms of work environments. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully in future videos we'll get to just tackle such videos. This was just a basic, small, informative video of what challenges women also face within this particular field. And if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that other persons who might be interested in the same topic might get informed and also watch it and spread the word that these are the challenges and we need to work on them. And if you would want to be informed of future videos such as these, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one.